Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Quick video here. I want to give an update on my order from Akatsuka Orchids. It finally got resolved and they sent me two beautiful healthy orchids. So I just took them out of the box. This one is actually missing a flower. I accidentally snapped it off, but everything looks so nice and fresh, and it actually smells citrusy, which I was surprised because it was in a pretty dark box. And then this is the Oncidium. This is actually the Bolera Big Shot Hilo Sparkle. And then to the right, we've got the Oncidium Raspberry Chocolate, which we have with very fresh blooms, and it's got a couple buds on top. So I'm very pleased with this replacement. The Orchid Nursery did right by me and sent me these two replacement orchids for free. I actually gave the other two orchids to my mom. She grows orchids as well, and she's a great grower, and she's going to bring those back to health. So in about a month or so, I'll check in and see how those are doing and share with you guys. But I wanted to give this quick update. I am very happy with the new orchids that I received. They're nice and healthy. They were in transit only 2 days, so it arrived here when I expected it to, and it looks like we will no longer be having any issues. So wanted to share that update, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.